washing machine. 2, 3, go. I pooped in the washing machine. Poop in the washing machine. Poop in the washing machine. 2, 3, go. I pooped in the washing machine and it was really clean. And then I peed and then I tried to poop in the dryer, but the door was on the side. Pooping in the washing machine. Now my clothes will never be clean. My socks came out all brown and nasty, but hey, it was neat, it was fucking crafty. Got tired of upper deckers at the local grocery store. They'll never catch me when I drop my drawers down at the appliance store. One day, my mom went to the wash, and she found a big surprise, 'cause I pooped in the washing machine, and now she's really mean. And I don't know what else to say, but hey, I pooped in the washing machine. I'm pooping in the washing machine. Pooped in the trash can at the music store, but that didn't satisfy me, so I'm coming back for more. 'Cause I pooped in the washing machine. 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 Yes, I did. And everyone's mad at me, and they'll never trust me again, 'cause I pooped in the washing machine. I'm pooping in the washing machine. Pooping in the washing machine.